Our next awardee for Outstanding Civic Leader, the Honorable Roland Ero Aris, President, Diamond Excellence Award. Beyond his professional accomplishments, Aris is a passionate advocate for children with special needs, including those with hydrocephalus, cerebral palsy, critical illnesses, and HIV, dedicating his efforts to improving their lives and raising awareness.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interests of its clientele.
Good afternoon, everyone. All right, so thank you, Public Attorney's Office, especially to Attorney Persida Costa, for this honor and giving this award in my hand. PALAC, which is the Persida Costa Legal Advice Program, really gave a big impact to the community. So maraming salamat po sa Persida Costa's Legal Advice Program. And also, thank you also for always supporting our advocacy for children with hydrocephalus and kids with HIV. So our organization din po, ang ating beneficiaries, yung mga kids na may HIV na nangangailangan ng mga kailangang pang-support sa kanila sa pang-araw-araw. And maraming salamat po at huwag po kayong magsawa na tumulong sa mga taong nangangailangan. That is why, on August 26, Attorney Persida Costa, you will be awarded again this year as one of the highest Women of Excellence in Public Service at the 5th Laguna Excellence Awards in celebration of National Heroes Day. So congratulations in advance. Lastly, I am very grateful for this recognition to Tito Rodel, my mentor, my wife, man, and family, my friends, to the whole staff of Diamond Excellence Awards and Laguna Excellence Awards, to the PAW. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat at mabuhay po kayo.
Once again, our awardee for Outstanding Civic Leader, the Honorable Roland Ero Aris, President, Diamond Excellence Award.